Yes, this is Glenn Gillen. I have spoken with Scott Fowle yesterday with BFP, and he suggested, recommended that the generator and the AC units be on opposite ends. It's easier to put the controllers, the automatic transfer switch, closer to the generator, and it's just an easier layout for them. So we are still going with a 12 by 20 shelter, and instead of just a 12 by 20 slab, it's going to be on. This slab is going to be brought out to 28 foot. So this 28 foot by 12 foot foundation slab will contain the shelter and the generator. Uh, Prior to this design, I believe we had a 28 foot chain wall. We're going to go ahead and increase that to 34 feet instead of 28 foot. In that extra 6 foot, we'll have a 6 foot by 12 foot slab will be placed on the back end. So this 34 by 12 foot precast foundation will have a much larger footprint, which is good. Again, it's going to be 1 foot 6 inches around the entire perimeter at the base, and it's going to be buried into the ground, put into the ground about 2 feet or whatever the geotech recommends. So this is basically it. The 20 by 12 shelter, and getting rid of some of these dimensions to clean it up a little bit. Um, this one's showing 7 foot tall, 2 foot in the ground, 5 foot above the ground. And again, it's 34 foot long. Go ahead and clean this up here. Is it 18 inches? Again, 5 foot and 7 foot total height. This is what VFP will be bringing out. The 28 foot by 12 foot. And the generator goes on this side. I'm going to go ahead and just increase this by 6 foot, but I will decrease this slab because before we had a slab of 11 foot 6 inches, I believe. Now it's only going to be 6 foot. So we'll add cost onto the precast chain wall, but we'll decrease the cost or the length of this slab. And we will, instead of going 11.5 foot here, we're only going, I think this is 8 foot. Yeah, this is 8 foot. So maybe a 7 foot handrail. This is about a 5.5 foot handrail here. We'll need handrails on these two sides. The stairs and the landing will go basically, actually they can start about right here to the end. So you're looking at probably 30 foot instead of 34 foot. You can have a set of handrails here. So this is the layout. I'll go ahead and revise the drawings, update the drawings in Martin Roulette with Forterra Precast. Will give an updated price on this. If you have any questions, please call me or email me. My number again is 504-512-3770. My email address is glenn@gillends.com.